Hi guys, it's your girl Crystal here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking on things you should bring for university, especially our CU freshers that will be joining us very soon. So I put up a list. I have a notebook here and I wrote down a list of the things basic essentials you should have before entering university. Things you will need for university. I have your pillowcase. You can also bring a pillow. Yeah, that will be needed because it's advisable to get your own pillow because most of the time the school does not provide pillow, but they will provide you with a bed. So get your pillowcase, your pillow, and get your bed sheet. You should also get your towel, like what you use to dry your body, your clothes, obviously, your corporate clothes, your casual, all the good stuff. Decent clothes, the ones you wear for church, the ones you wear to class, which are corporate, the ones you wear like to get something, just comfortable clothes, casual clothes. And also get your shoes, get your heels, your flat shoes for classes, heels for like Sunday, get your Crocs just to be comfortable. You can get your bathroom slipper, slides if you wear slides. Also get sneakers, get canvas for other events. You should also get a bag. You need a bag for school, the one you take for classes. You need a bag for like chapel services or any event you want to go for. Most times, a tote bag is advisable, like it carries almost everything. For the girls, for the guys, also, you also need a laptop bag. You will need your regular bag. You will need underwears. Can you pack without packing underwears? Like, what are you going for? You also need socks for those that wear socks. You need your ninth wear. You will need your gadgets, laptop, your tablet, your iPads, your iPods, maybe your headset, earpiece, your charger, your extension, all those good stuff. You need body lotion for your body. You will need your hair cream. You need shampoo, conditioner to like treat your hair well. You need a comb for that. Toothbrush for your teeth. You need to brush your teeth. So you need a toothbrush. You need toothpaste. You will also need a mouthwash so you smell really good when you talk to people. You need your body soap. You need your body wash. For those that use body wash, you can bring your body wash, body soap, your sponge, your detergent for your clothes. To wash your clothes, you need your detergent. You will need hypo, your bucket for your washing, then your bucket for your bathing bucket, washing bucket. They can be two different buckets. You need a baler. We have showers, but not everybody like to use shower, so bring a bucket, bring a baler. You would also need air freshener for your room to smell good. You need broom to clean up your room. You need like all those mini towels to like clean your wardrobe and your bed. You need packer, broom and packer obviously. You need that rope for hanging clothes. You can bring that, or you can bring a dryer, what you can use to dry your clothes. You can bring pegs so your clothes won't fall off when you put it on the rope. For your food, you can bring cereals. We don't cook in our hostel, so you buy food from like the cafeteria close by. You're going to need cereals, you're going to need golden more, you're going to need cornflakes, you're going to need rice krispies for like just quick meal or quick breakfast. Milo, milk, sugar. You can bring garri, you can bring biscuits. biscuits, all those good snacks, gala, biscuits, sweets. You can bring mineral drink, bottled water. You can bring that too. You can bring your custard. If you like custard, you can make your custard using a kettle. Kettles are allowed. Bring your kettle, bring your iron for ironing your clothes. You need it. You need iron in your life. Iron your clothes so you look good, okay? You need your perfume to smell really nice, your deodorant, don't forget that. Don't forget your notebook, don't forget your pen, your pencils, all those writing materials. So don't forget your ATM card, your documents for school. Don't forget passports. Bring as much passport as you can. You can bring wigs for the ladies. Wigs are allowed. Color should be black. They don't want colors that are not black. Hair accessories. Bring your earrings. Bring your tissue paper for the ladies. Don't forget your tissue paper. Don't forget your sanitary pad. Don't forget your hand sanitizer, your hand wash. For the freshers out there, don't be afraid to like ask questions. If you see me, you can also approach me. I'll definitely help you out. So don't be scared, don't be anxious or anything. We're here for you, okay? Answers to any question, you can drop a comment in the comment section and I will answer you as soon as possible. And good luck to those that are going to be joining us soon. Hope you have an amazing year ahead. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you also subscribe to my channel. I hope you comment on this video and share to those who need it. And I'll see you in my next video. But for now, bye bye.